Hi everyone. Have you ever felt like you're just not good enough? That no matter how hard you try, there's this little voice in your head saying, you can't do it. That voice, my friend, is self-doubt. And it's something we all face at some point in our lives. But here's the good news. Self-doubt doesn't have to define you. In this video, we're going to talk about what self-doubt really is, why it happens, and how you can overcome it to become the confident person you're meant to be. What is self-doubt? Self-doubt is that inner voice that questions your abilities, decisions, or even your worth. It's the fear of failure, rejection, or simply not being enough. It often sneaks in when we're about to try something new, take a risk, or when we compare ourselves to others. But self-doubt isn't always bad. In small doses, it can push us to prepare better or strive harder. The problem is when it becomes so loud that it paralyzes us or stops us from reaching our potential. Why does self-doubt happen? Self-doubt can stem from many things. It could be past failures. If you have failed before, it's easy to believe you'll fail again. Comparisons. Social media has made it almost impossible not to compare our behind the scenes with someone else's highlight reel. Perfectionism. When we set impossible standards for ourselves, anything less feels like failure. Negative feedback. Words from others, whether intentional or not, can plant seeds of doubt in our mind. Does any of these sound familiar to you? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. How self-doubt affects us. When we let self-doubt take over, it holds us back. We avoid opportunities, procrastinate, or even settle for less than we deserve. But here's the truth. Self-doubt isn't a reflection of your abilities. It's just a feeling. And feelings aren't facts. You can choose to challenge it. Overcoming self-doubt. So how do we overcome self-doubt? Number 1, recognize it. The first step is to acknowledge when self-doubt creeps in. Say to yourself, okay, I'm doubting myself right now. Why? Number 2, challenge negative thoughts. Ask yourself, is this really true? What evidence do I have? Most of the time, self-doubt is based on fear, not facts. Number 3, focus on your strengths. Write down your achievements or things you're proud of. it's easy to forget how far you've already come. Number 4, take small steps. Confidence grows with action. Start small, and each success will build your belief in yourself. Number 5, stop comparing. Remember, everyone's journey is different. Focus on your path, not someone else. Number 6, seek support. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and remind you of your potential. Sometimes, all it takes is one person saying, "I believe in you." Before I end, I want to leave you this. You are more capable than you think. The fact that you're watching this video shows that you're willing to grow, to learn, and to overcome. That's already a huge step. So next time self-doubt whispers in your ear, remind yourself of this. You are stronger than your fears, and you are worthy of all the amazing things life has to offer. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join me on this journey of growth and self-discovery.